Welcome everyone. You may be in a situation where your Xbox Series S is like outputting a burning smell, and the reason why this is happening is two reasons. One, you don't have enough ventilation, and the second one is, this is just how the Xbox Series S is. So let's just go through both of them. So if you see here, this air right here and this air right here cannot be blocked, right? So either you put the Series S like this, right? So like laying down like that, or you have it standing up like this. I have it standing up personally because these two vents here, these is where all the airflow is going to come out. And if these are blocked in any way, that's going to prevent the airflow from coming out. So if you're playing an Xbox Series S game, this is going to get really hot. And because the airflow isn't sufficient, then it's going to get even warmer, and it could get hot to a point where you're going to have a burning smell emitted. And so what that means is you just have to make sure that there is more room for the Xbox Series S to breathe, and then therefore you should have a better experience. However, if you're in a situation where you can't, have enough ventilation, let's say you have multiple consoles and you want to stack them next to each other, well, you're gonna have to rethink things, right? I'd recommend you get a cooling pad, like a laptop cooling pad, and you just put it on the Xbox Series S, experiment around, and that should reduce the overall temperature that the Series S runs on, and then you shouldn't have the burning smell emitted. If that doesn't fix the issue, both of those two things, then you probably have a faulty Xbox Series S. So I recommend you do is you just contact Microsoft or have the form in the description, and then just say you have a burning smell when running games, stuff like that. And as long as you have enough ventilation and that's still happening, they'll give you a free replacement Xbox Series S, no questions asked. So really, that's everything to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.